I've made Pipe Cleaner Spider-Man. I've made Master Chief. I've even made Jake Sully from Avatar. Tutorial coming out soon. And people always ask me, how do you make these big guys without them falling apart? Well, let me show you. At the center of every character I make, there are two different kinds of skeletons. One for humanoid characters and one for animals. And they both start the same way and they're super easy. In every video I make, I always start with an X. You wrap two pipe cleaners together until you have the arms and the legs. For the humans, it's gonna be shorter because the torso is shorter. And for the animals, it's gonna be a little bit longer. For the humans, you're gonna fold the arms and the legs together, and then you're gonna make a little bit of a chest here so that you have something to wrap around. And of course, the spot for the face. For the animals, you have to make a specific kind of hind legs. And as you can see, the spine is gonna be much longer. But Solomon, that's a lot of detail. I don't have that many pipe cleaners. Do not fret, my friend. I have a technique for this. You're gonna take one pipe cleaner, mash it up, so it looks like this. When you're ready to fill in that skeleton, you're gonna put it where you want it. You're gonna take another pipe cleaner and you're just gonna wrap it. Now be gentle so that you don't crush it, and just like that, you have the chest filled in. Ta-da!
Drop a follow if you want to see more content just like this.
See y'all in the next one.